Hey there. We all love our air conditioning, right? But what if I told you there's a tiny hidden danger in your home that could shut the whole thing down? Just poof, right when you need it the most. That's what we're talking about today. So let's get right to it. Think about your house for a second. What's that one little thing, something you probably never even think about, that could cause a massive AC failure? We're talking water damage, huge repair bills, the whole nightmare. Any guesses? Yup, a clogged AC drain line. I know, it sounds ridiculously simple, right? Like, how can that be a real threat? But trust me, this humble little pipe is what we're diving into today, and once you get it, it's a total game changer whether you own your home or rent. So let's break down exactly how this very small part can spiral into a very, very big problem. Okay, so here's how it goes down. It's like a really bad domino effect. You get a simple clog, usually just from some algae and gunk building up, and suddenly water has nowhere to go. It backs up right into your system. Next thing you know, you've got leaks, water dripping down your walls, ruining your ceiling, and you know what comes with unwanted water, right? Mold. To make things worse, most new AC units are smart enough to know this is bad, so a safety switch just kills the power. Boom, the system's off. And it always happens on the hottest day of the year, doesn't it? Now you're stuck making that expensive emergency call. And this quote really nails it. The problem sounds kind of scary, but the solution? It's so simple. It all just comes down to a little bit of prevention. A few minutes of your time can literally save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. All right, let's talk about that solution. We're going to build an incredibly simple prevention plan that puts you in control so you can avoid that emergency call altogether. This is your secret weapon, and you almost definitely have it in your kitchen right now. It's just plain white vinegar. All you do is pour 1 cup into your AC's drain line once a month. You can usually find the access point pretty easily. It's a little PVC pipe near your indoor unit. The vinegar is just acidic enough to break down all that algae and gunk before it can become a problem. Seriously, that's it. That's the entire maintenance plan. But what if you're watching this and thinking, uh-oh, I think it's already too late. You suspect there's a clog right now. Well, don't panic and pick up the phone just yet. There's a powerful emergency fix you can actually do yourself. For this one, you're going to need a wet/dry vac, a shop vac. So go outside and find where that drain line ends. It's usually a PVC pipe sticking out of the wall near your big outdoor AC unit. Now, just stick the vacuum hose on the end of that pipe, use your hand to make a pretty good seal around it, and flip the switch. That suction is so powerful, it'll just yank that clog right out. We're talking seconds, and the line is completely clear, letting water flow freely again. So what this all comes down to is a choice. When it comes to your AC's health and your wallet, you're basically standing at a fork in the road. And when you look at it like this, the choice is, well, it's a total no-brainer, isn't it? Path number 1 is smart prevention. It costs you basically nothing, a few minutes and pennies for vinegar, and you get total peace of mind. Path number 2? That's the costly clog. You're looking at water damage, huge repair bills, and all the stress that comes with your AC failing. It's pretty clear which path you want to be on. And really, that's what this all boils down to. So I'll just leave you with this question. Is 5 minutes of your time, once a month, worth saving yourself hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars? Is it worth protecting your home from a disaster that is 100% avoidable? Thanks for tuning in.